Hello everyone, so now watch this video until it reaches to the end. I hope you will know more about logarithm. So let's start for see the main purpose of logarithm. First of all, the main purpose of logarithm is to simplify the complex calculation like exponential and large numbers. So let's see example of complex calculation by using this simple example where we get 32 times 16, where 32 is raised in base 2, we get 2 power 5, and 16 is raised in base 2, where we get 2 power 4. By using the rule of indices, where it says that when we have the same base and a different power, we must take one base and make the summation of the power when we have the multiplication sign. That number it is 1 multiplied by another, so we take the summation of that power and write base of one base. So by using this expression, take this 2 power 9. So let's continue for see the logarithmic form which are written on this above expression in this form. So as you see here, we have log b in base a, which will be equal to x, and a is a base, b is a remnant, and x is power of this b. So let's continue for see the exercise which will help you to understand this more. So exercise, by using this exercise where we have log 9 in base 3, and this log 9 we must raise 9 in base 3, where we get 3 power 2 in base 3 and will be equal to x, where we take this 3 power x, which will be equal to 3 power 2, and this 3 and 3 will be simplified to get 1 power x and 1 power 2, which will give x equal to 2, as you see here on this question, simple question. And then let's continue for finding x if log of 32, which will be equal to x, and the solution will be equal to log of 32 in base 2, which will be equal to x, and 32 will be equal to 2 power x, but 32 will be equal to 2 power 5, and you get 2 power 5, which will be equal to 2 power x, and x will be equal to 5. For continue to see the basic rules used in logarithm for logarithm. So let's continue. The x is element which will be in set of real number except 0 and negative, which will be except 0 and infinity, and a will be equal to element of this expression. Let's continue for see the main formula used in logarithm. Log a or log x, so log x y in base a will be equal to log log x in base a plus log y in base a, and second expression or formula is equal to log x over y in base a, which will give us log x in base a negative log y in base a, as you see here. And the third formula will be equal to log x power y in base a, which will give us y log x in base a. So let's continue for another exercise which will help you to understand this more and efficient. Let's continue. If y is equal to 2x plus 3, find the linear expression connecting logarithm log of x and log of y. So let's continue to see how this question is solved by using logarithm on both sides. First solution will be equal to introducing logarithm on both sides. So let's continue by introducing logarithm on both sides, where we get y is equal to 2x plus 3 yields. So log of y will be equal to log of 2x plus 3, and we get log of y which will be equal to log of 2 plus log of y, log of x plus 3, where as you see here, we use the logarithm first row, where we take this 3 as x and this x as y, and we take this expression where we take log of 2 and log of x plus 3. As you see, the first row of logarithm, it seems how it is written. So this expression, it use the base, the logarithm first row. So let's continue. Log of y is equal to log of 2 plus 3 log of x, where we use that row, that the logarithm second row, where this power must be established on the front of this logarithm sign as the logarithm third row says that. So as you see, this question, it is ended and it is solved well. I think everyone get common understanding about how this question is solved by using logarithm rules. So let's continue for see the last question, and we end our presentation about knowing more about logarithm. So let's see this also question, where we have 2 power 6 which will be equal to 64 in logarithm form, right? Let's write this expression in logarithmic form, where I get 2 power 6 which will be equal to 64, and this 64 is equal to 2 power 6, where we get 2 log of 2 log of 64 in base 2, where we get log of 64 which will be log of 64 in base 2. So I think this expression, it is written on the logarithmic expression. So thank you for watching this video. If it supported you, show me the subscribe, share, like and comment for this expression, and like my YouTube channel, which called Safari Teacher. So thank you for watching this video. I appreciate you. So in next video, we must see how we make the differentiation or derivative, and we must learn more about natural logarithm and exponential in order to continue to know more about mathematics. So thank you for one who support me, who see this video. Thank you.